Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you that know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing is by WIG-OUTRE. So go ahead and watch me install the wig, and then come back and I'll give you my 50% of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go.
Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright.
So now that you have watched me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. For Astor in the color DRFF Golden Amber. Astor has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. Astor is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She also has a pre-attached elastic band. She has a hand-tied lace part. She is premium synthetic fibers, pre-plucked and hand-tied eye part, breathable mesh cap, and heat styling friendly. So now that we've talked about the specs about Astor, let's go ahead and talk about my good, what I like, what I dislike, and what I would rate this wig. So Astor is a quick unit. She doesn't come with lace to cut off. It's a put on and go. How easy can you get? Like, can't get any easier. It's a put on and go, and you get it just like that. I didn't add nothing to it, except I did add some baby hairs because it looked really, really wiggy, like wiggy. What do I like about Astor? I love that it's beginner friendly. It's big friendly. What I don't like about Astor is what I also like about Astor, she doesn't tangle. There are a bit of flyaways, but I could deal with them. What I don't like about Astor, she looks very, very wiggy right out of the pack, so I had to use some invisible dry shampoo. Thank you to Crystal from YouTube. I will leave her YouTube channel down below. She put me onto this. I love it. Best thing since sliced bread. So this is Astor. I'm really loving Astor, and the fact that she's beginner friendly, bigot friendly. There's no thinking to it, and you could, you know, dress Astor up or down however you choose. I would give Astor a score of 8.5. Take out some points for her looking so wiggy. And yeah, that's all I have for Astor. So if you got to end the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like, leave me a comment, smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. Pretty please. Don't forget to go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.